Hi everyone, lesson number 23, area. Second video. Today our topic is the area of a parallelogram. What is meant by parallelogram? Here you can see the parallelogram ABCD. And you can see here I have put two arrowheads to the side AB and DC. So, what is meant by that? AB is parallel to the side DC. And you can see I have put one arrowhead to the side AD and BC. It means the side AD is parallel to the side BC. And we know the opposite sides are equal in length. So AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. I think now you have an idea. A quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel to each other is called a parallelogram. And opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal in length. Now I am drawing a perpendicular height or perpendicular distance is the shortest distance in between a pair of parallel lines. So what is meant by the base? Base is the side which is touching the perpendicular. Here you can see an example. Okay, now think about this and guess which is the perpendicular height and which is the base. Here you can see a right angle, so that is the perpendicular. It means here the perpendicular height is 6 centimeters. Now we can observe the side which is touching the perpendicular. So the length of the base is 5 centimeters. Second example. Now it's so simple. Perpendicular height is 7 meters and the length of the base is 5 meters. The formula to find the area of a parallelogram. Now we are going to construct the formula. Actually, you can do this activity with me. Okay, now take out a piece of paper and draw a rectangle which is equal in size to the given in the figure. You can count the number of squares and draw the rectangle. Let's consider its length to be A units and its width to be H units. You can draw another rectangle with the same measurements and cut off the shaded portion. Now create a parallelogram by pasting the triangular portion and rest of the lamina. Now you have got a parallelogram. Area of this parallelogram is equals to the area of the rectangle. Because of why? We use the initial rectangle to create the new parallelogram. So the area of the rectangle should be equal to the area of the parallelogram. So the area of the parallelogram ABPQ is equals to the area of the rectangle ABCD. So you know area of the rectangle ABCD is equals to length into breadth. Here the length is A units and the breadth or width is H units. So area of the parallelogram ABPQ is equals to A into H in square units. So it's very clear. Area of a parallelogram is equals to length of the base multiplied by perpendicular height corresponding to the base. So we can express it as A equals AH. Actually, this is not so difficult to remember. You can use here the formula of the triangle to remember this formula. You know, the formula to find the area of a triangle is half into base into perpendicular height. So what is the formula to find the area of a parallelogram? Yes? Yeah, there is no any half. And the rest is okay. Yes. Area of a parallelogram is equals to base into perpendicular height. First one, find the area of the parallelogram. At first you should identify which is the base and which is the perpendicular height. Perpendicular height is 6 centimeters and the base is 10 centimeters. You know the formula is capital A equals AH. Now substitute the values. 10 into 6. So the answer is 60 squared centimeters. Number 2. Find the area of the parallelogram. At first find the perpendicular height and the base. Perpendicular height is 5 meters and the base is 8 meters. Now we can substitute the values to the formula A equals AH. So 8 is multiplied by 5. 8 into 5, 40. And the question was find the area. So the unit should be squared meters. So the final answer is A equals 40 squared meters. Question number 3. If the area of the parallelogram ABCD is 70 square meters, find the value of h. Here they have given the length of the base and they haven't given the length of the perpendicular height. Now we should substitute the values to the formula. Capital A equals AH. So here capital A means the area of the parallelogram. Now they have given the area of the parallelogram. So we are substituting the value 70. 70 is equals to 7 multiplied by h. Now we are going to solve this simple equation. 7h is equals to 70. Now we want to find the value of h. So we should remove that 7. And here the mathematical operation is multiplication. To remove the multiplication, yes, we should do the converse. Converse of the multiplication is division. So we should divide both sides by 7. So the answer is perpendicular height equals to 10 meters. Do the activity number 2. To continue the lesson, you should watch the next video.